Thank you for joining us at XM.com for the Daily Market Comment by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Christina Marujos. The U.S. dollar outperformed on Friday after the preliminary U.S. market PMIs for November rose by more than anticipated. The dollar's gains were amplified by a weaker euro, which came under selling pressure after flash Eurozone PMIs disappointed. Even though euro-dollar is recovering part of its losses on Monday, the overall risks surrounding the pair remain tilted to the downside. The U.S. economy is still on a much stronger footing than the euro area, and interest rate differentials clearly argue in favor of the higher-yielding dollar. For this story to change, markets may need signs that the Fed will start cutting rates with a passion, or that Germany will roll out a large fiscal stimulus package, neither of which is likely anytime soon. Sentiment in global markets remains in limbo as conflicting trade headlines keep investors guessing. Weekend reports suggest China will raise penalties on violations of intellectual property rights, something that the U.S. has long pushed for in the negotiations. That saw a risk-on mood return, with futures pointing to a higher open on Wall Street today. Across the risk spectrum, the defensive Japanese yen and Swiss franc are both on the retreat alongside gold prices. Looking ahead, investors will likely remain on edge about whether a Phase 1 deal can be signed soon, and much may depend on any signals about whether the next round of U.S. tariffs, scheduled for December 15th, will ultimately be postponed. The British pound was another victim of soft PMIs on Friday, with the currency retreating after the composite PMI unexpectedly fell into contractionary territory. As for the pound, it's all about opinion polls right now, as traders gauge whether the Tories will have a strong enough showing to secure a stable majority in Parliament and implement their Brexit agenda. The latest polls show the Conservative Party consolidating its lead, a pattern that would argue for a stronger sterling if it persists over the next weeks. This was today's Daily Market Comment at XM.com. Have a great week.